This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Thomas Devine. This two-house condo is spacious and is ready for its new owners. Electrical panel has been upgraded and the plumbing has been changed to CPVC, new AC unit with all new duct work installed 8 to 2018, master bathroom shower new in 2017. This unit offers tranquility and privacy. Kings Point is a golf cart community that allows access to doctors, hospitals, shopping, banking, restaurants and much more via golf cart. This community even has its own free transportation system. Kings Point in Sun City Center was awarded the Florida Communities of Excellence Award honoring the state's top residential communities. It's a great place to live. Being sold as is for the convenience of the seller. For more information, review the details below or contact Thomas Devine at 954-693-0100.